Do you think staying up late only makes you tired? You're paying with your skin, hormones, brain, and future health. If you stay up late often, you need to hear this. Most people believe the price of staying up late is just feeling sleepy the next day. But the real damage starts long before you feel tired. Around 11 p.m., your brain increases melatonin secretion. This hormone is the body's sleep commander. It pushes you into deep sleep, where real repair begins. Skin renewal, tissue recovery, immune repair, everything depends on this stage. Staying up late suppresses melatonin. Collagen breaks down faster, skin loosens, and aging accelerates. No skincare product can fully fix damage caused from inside. Around midnight, your body enters the golden window for growth hormone release. This hormone isn't just for children. It repairs tissues, regenerates cells, and supports metabolism in adults. If you're still awake, this repair system never fully turns on. Over time, metabolism slows, fat loss becomes harder, and aging speeds up. By 1 a.m., your nervous system begins to decline. Reaction speed drops, focus weakens, and decision-making becomes slower, even if you feel like you're still alert. At 2 a.m., hunger hormones rise sharply. Your body craves sugar and fat, not because of weak willpower, but because it's sending an emergency energy signal. By 3 a.m., metabolism is at its lowest point. Late-night food is no longer burned, it's stored as fat. Around 4 a.m., hormonal regulation enters chaos. Long-term sleep deprivation disrupts reproductive hormones, immune balance, and increases oxidative damage at the cellular level. By 5 a.m., your body should be finishing repair. Instead, staying up late keeps it stuck in survival mode. Deep sleep is also when the brain clears metabolic waste. Miss this window and toxins accumulate, slowing thinking and memory over time. So please, don't make staying up late a habit. Every night of proper sleep is an investment in your health, youth, and future. If this made you rethink your sleep, share it with someone who stays up too late.